Yo, what's up? It's your boy Bishop DJ. Making this little quick video because I finally was able to cop the Georgetown 3s for real. I found a cat in my neighborhood. I looked on Facebook Marketplace. Homie had a pair. We was only selling them. I just say for a short price. How about that? And his shit was legit. He even gave me the receipt. Caught them from Finish Line. So I'm gonna unbox them in a minute. I just wanted to make this little quick video. There's a lot going on tonight when it's a beautiful night out. Niggas is all out. Yeah. West Baltimore, Emerson Village. Gonna go up in the gas station real quick, grab some chips, something to drink, some cigarettes, and then I'm gonna come back in and I'm gonna do the unboxing. Y'all can check them out, all right? Peace. What's up? Well, I'm back in. As I said, I'm gonna do the unboxing. Finally got them. Let me smoke a cig first. Took me a minute to find these joints. Well, I ain't gonna say a minute, because the joints just dropped over the weekend. I like what they're doing with the boxes for the 3s now. You got the different, the half and half with the elephant print. The other half with the color of the shoe. So let's look at the shoe. I ended up finding somebody online, local cat, right around the corner from me that had them. Even gave me the receipt. He got them from Finish Line. Gave me a good deal on them. You know what I mean? Let's check out the other one. Here's the other one. This one comes with the other shoestring. Right here. Here we go. It might not be all that to y'all, but the 3s, I love 3s. As I stated in my other videos, it's a nostalgia thing for me. Yeah. Sneaker game is changing. I will say that. I really don't have too much to say. I'm gonna rock them tomorrow. So all my friends on Instagram, Facebook, you're gonna see these. That's gonna be my story. I'm starting to do every day. I'm gonna have a different kick that I'm gonna showcase on Facebook. I think I'm gonna keep the white shoestrings in. You know what I'm saying? But every pair of 3s and 4s that usually come out, I try to grab them all. I'm trying to see if I can cop those University Blue 4s that's supposed to be coming out at the end of April. StockX wanting a little too much. It was 800, and he knocked it down to like 6. With the taxes and shipping and all that, I can't do it. But anyway, what I should have said in the beginning was, I want to thank everybody for, checking out the singles and whatnot. I Ain't Dead. We finally got past 1,000 views. Just a new joint right here called Encore. This is the instrumental for it. And the album is going to be dropping April 9th. That's the projected date. It may change. I doubt it. Hopefully not. Because we're still working on it. We got one more joint that we're going to finish up on. So, I want to thank everybody for supporting us. Really means a lot. And we're going to start doing more commentary with the sneakers and things of that nature. So, just stay tuned. We got some more coming, all right? Peace out. It's your boy Bishop DJ.